What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about XRP in this video because what we need to focus on is understanding as to what doors are closed and what doors are open. When we look at things like BTC, we look at Ethereum, we look at Solana, we look at a lot of other plays that are moving a heck of a lot. And specifically, I mean, if you look at BTC, because that's primarily the only thing that's really running as far, from where it was at the low, you look at that position and people are always questioning like if you're going to be able to benefit from that in a large way, if that door to gaining a heck of a lot is open. Because honestly, you look at it and you look where it is compared to the all-time high, it's pretty close. Seeing it at $52,000, $53,000, and seeing the high at $69,000, you're very close to where that is. Comparable to things like maybe an ADA, where that's looking at maybe 20% of the all-time high and then still having that ability to 2x or 3x over that point, right? So the point is that you have a lot of opportunity elsewhere, and people are concerned that these doors are closed because of how far Ethereum and Bitcoin are moving. But something like XRP, the door is not closed. And I don't know why people think that the price has to come down aggressively in order to see that window, in order to see that opportunity. Would it be amazing to have it lower and there's a possibility that it could go lower? Yeah, there's always a possibility that it could go lower. But the point that you need to take into account, the thing that you need to take into account is understanding where we are, comparable not to the all-time high price-wise, but the all-time high market cap-wise. And then look at maybe a 2x or 3x over that. And then you also factor in maybe more of the use case and how that can apply to the end goal. So let's talk about XRP in this video. Let's talk about why the door is still open to becoming an XRP millionaire. And also we'll look at how much I do have. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links, I do have an XRP t-shirt in my merch store. If you want to check out Profits Apparel, my store down below, you'll see the link at somewhere. I don't know exactly where, but somewhere in the description. Also, if you want to, check out Margex, feel free to check out Margex. That's a great platform to where if you're interested in trading XRP, you can start out with a small amount and end up making a large amount by leverage trading. However, you need to understand the risks to leverage trading because there are a lot of risks to leverage trading, but it is a great platform if you know what you are doing. And you can start small to understand or start to build the experience, and then you can go from there. So definitely check out that link to Margex down below. You won't be disappointed in the platform. The platform's really good. But let's talk about XRP. Where it currently stands, XRP stands at 55 cents, almost 56 cents. Today, I believe we were up to like 57 cents, and now it is suddenly the market has shifted in the opposite direction. We're seeing Bitcoin that's falling, Ethereum that's falling in the last hour. Still, XRP is up in the last day, which is great to see because over this time period that Bitcoin has run and Ethereum has run, XRP has kind of stood in the same spot. And a lot of people were like, why is XRP not moving? Why is everything else moving, but XRP is not moving, right? So where we see it right now at 2.2% of an increase and 56 cents is a great level. But I know when people see these gains, they look at the last 7 days and they see any type of gains where it's up 7%, and they don't look at that 7% alone. Like they'll look at everything else in the market, where even though if you look at the basic market, you're going to see the overall market is down. You're going to see a lot of red that is happening within the top 10, the top 25. But if you look at this last column, 7 days, people start to look at that and they're like, I don't want to invest now because Bitcoin's so far up, Ethereum's so far up. But you got to understand that that door to becoming an XRP millionaire is not closed. Honestly, this is still at a very, very low spot comparable to a lot of other things that are even out there. Like if you look at, I know the lowest point that we've seen in this is like 30 cents or so, but if you look at like Cardano and how that was at like 40 cents, it's very, has seen a decent increase, seen 20 cents worth of an increase. That's 50%. You haven't really seen that with XRP. You saw it briefly because of the uncertainty with the case. And since there is uncertainty, you're not going to see that overall push to where it should be right now. Without the case, XRP should be at or close to $1 right now, if not further than that, with all of the hype and all of the potential that this does have. So I think you guys need to understand the overall situation, understand where we are, because I currently have 21,000 XRP in my assets when it comes to Coinbase. I now have 21,000 because I added some from Margex. Margex, I ended up trading with XRP over there and ended up getting more XRP as I traded Bitcoin and some XRP as well. So as you trade or you leverage a certain position, you get that position in return. So I ended up getting more XRP, sending it over to my Coinbase just to explain exactly what the process was. And now I have 21,000. And I'll continue to gain more without actually spending more on XRP itself, right? I'm spending more elsewhere, leveraging elsewhere, and now I'm gathering a lot more. So not spending any new money. I'm just continuing to invest there with leverage trading, but currently sitting around that 40,000 mark overall in my portfolio if you need an update there. But I'll tell you, if you look at the overall history of, XRP, even the last year, right? The last year we saw the lowest point, 38 cents. And we're all like, if it gets back down to that point, that would be amazing because then you can gather a lot more. But where we stand, we haven't really seen that larger increase, that larger push for XRP. And without seeing that larger push, means that we still have that opportunity that's wide open, absolutely wide open. If I go over to Margex really quick and I want to look at XRP, you're going to see the exact trend line and where we stand and how we are at the low level of this kind of trend line here, because we're bouncing off of this trend line. And we're sort of at this low level where the low level is about 50 cents and we're currently at 56 cents. We're 6 cents above that point, and we have so much room above in order to hit a lot of these levels. And also, when we look at the ultimate goal, exactly where this has been, $120 billion market cap, you know that there's so much room well above where we are right now. So make sure you guys just understand the situation. I'm not telling you you have to invest in there, but if you think this window is closed, if you think this door is closed, you're wrong. The door is not closed for XRP. So let me know what you think about this. Do you believe the door to becoming an XRP millionaire is closed, or do you think it's just getting started? Because we're still at 50 cents, right? And there's so much more room above where we are in the form of dollars, not just cents. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to use my link down below. Honestly, it's a really good platform. As well as if you guys want to check out my merch store where we have different cryptocurrencies, XRP, Terra Luna Classic, Jasmy Coin, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.